Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore faces of AI generated pics. So first of all, open your browser and then go to Playground AI. Click enter. Now click on this one. Now once you're here, first you will have to create yourself an account using your Gmail, and once you're done with that part, you will have to click on this button besides the create button and click on aboard. Now, once we're here, we're going to change some settings. For example, the model I will be using is this one, the Playground version 1. Image dimensions will be set to 512 x 768. Prompt guidance will be set to 10, while quality and details will be set to 50. The seed will be randomized, while the sampler we will be using is DDIM. And the number of sample images will be changed from 1 to 4, while private sessions will be enabled. Now we come to the left side of the settings. The filter I will be using is this one, the delicate detail. You can choose any other filter if you want. And the next thing is to write a prompt. Well, I already have a prompt copied, so I'm just going to paste it here and you can write your own prompt. And the next step is to just simply click on generate. Now once the images have been generated, you can see that this photo's eye is not aligning with the other eye, so you can just fix it by just simply clicking on this actions button and click on face restoration, and it will restore the face for you. And here is the photo after face restoration and it looks beautiful. So now if you want to restore the face more, you just simply download this face restored photo. Face restored. You can go desktop and just save it. Now once the images have been saved, the face restored image has been saved, drag that image and put it here, the image to image 1, and change the image strength to 95 and remove the filter. Move it to none and just simply click on generate. Now after the images have been generated, select an image that you like and just go to actions and click on upscale by 4%. As you can see, this is much better than the last photo. The face is pretty sharp and the face is pretty much restored as well. And you can now download this pic if you want to use it. So that's pretty much it, and that's how you can restore faces of AI generated pics. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.